Hello and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 2. Let's remember a boy, a girl, a book, a pen, a ball, an apple, a cup, a radio, a phone, a TV. Now remember two things together. The girl and the boy. The cup and the phone. The girl and the what? The girl and the boy. The cup and the what? The cup and the phone. Try to remember. The pen and the book. The ball and the radio. The apple and the TV. The pen and the what? The pen and the book. The ball and the what? The ball and the radio. The apple and the what? The apple and the TV. Well done. Now try to remember three things together. The girl, the pen, and the TV. The boy, the radio, and the phone. The girl and the what? The girl, the pen, and the TV. The boy and the what? The boy, the radio, and the phone. Well done. Now try to remember four things together. The ball, the apple, the cup, and the book. The ball and the what? The ball, the apple, the cup, and the book. Well done. That's it for now. Thank you for coming, and see you next time. Goodbye.